Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. So we are discussing previous year multiple choice questions from the chapter Pictorial Representation. Starting with the first question for today. Traffic police conducts the survey on the dress code of total number of students in a city and obtains the following information. If 1 star represents 1000 students, then how many students are there in the city? So what is this? He has conducted a survey. Survey is nothing but where we ask questions and the other people give us answers. So from the survey, what did our police find out? This is the piece of information. Now here 1 star is equal to 1000 students. Now how many students are there in the city? So for this what should we do, children? We should count the total number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In total, there are 10 stars. So each star represents 1000 students. So the total number of students will be equal to 10 into 1000. That is nothing but 10,000 students. Yes or no, children? For such type of questions, count the total number of stars or any other picture that is given. Now for the total, you have to multiply that number with how much does one picture represent. So in the city, there were a total of 10,000 students. That is our option D. Now question 21. A line is divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is divided into 6 equal parts. If the length of one division is equivalent to 1000, one division, this one division, what is the length here? It is 1000. Not only this, every division that we take, the length of each division is equal to 1000. Now what should we do, children? 1000 kilometers, it is 1000 kilometers. So what should we do? What is the total distance between the start and end points? Now this is our starting point and this is our ending point. Now see, children, this is a line. Here we are having an arrow mark. That means it can extend here continuously. Yes, so that is why that will not be our end point. This is our end point as we have divided the line till here. So this will be our end point and this will be our starting point. Now we need to calculate the total distance here. So how many divisions do we have in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In total, we are having 6 divisions. So what will be the distance, children? 6 into 1000 kilometers. Yes, each division is equal to 1000 kilometers. So there are 6 divisions. That is why the total distance becomes 6 into 1000, that is equal to 6000 kilometers. Yes or no? So our answer is option C, 6000 kilometers. Now question 22. At a parking, a board shows the following information. Now yes, so here what is the scale? Scale is nothing but, see here, one car is equal to 500 number of vehicles. So that is called as scale. So one picture is representing what number? One picture is representing what number in actuality or in reality? Yes, so that will be our scale, children. Now what is the strength of the parking place? The strength is nothing but the total capacity, or see strength here, that means we are finding out the total number. What did I say? To find out the total number, you have to count all the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are having 8 pictures. Now how much does each picture represent? It represents 500 vehicles. It represents 500 vehicles. Each car represents 500 vehicles. So there are 8 cars. The total will be 500 into 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. So the total strength of our parking place is nothing but 4000. What is the strength of the parking place, children? 4000. That is our option A. I hope this is clear. Count the total number of cards and then multiply it with the number it is representing. So each car is equal to 500. So 8 into 500 equals 4000 vehicles. Next 23. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Pictograph is the numerical representation of data. Statement 2. Pictograph is the graphical representation of data. Now which of the following options is correct about the above statements? Now if you consider both the statements here, what is this? What is the statement 1? It says that pictograph is the numerical representation. As we have learned already, what is a pictograph? This is a pictograph. This is an example of a pictograph. Now here is the information displayed in numbers, using numbers? No, it is displayed or represented using pictures. So the first statement, that is pictograph is the numerical representation, becomes false. Statement 1 becomes false. Now coming to statement 2 here, pictograph is the graphical representation. Yes, pictograph. Picto is picture and graph here is nothing but the graphical representation of data. So what does our statement 2 becomes, children? It becomes a true. Statement 1 will be false and statement 2 is true. That is our option B. 1 is false and 2 is true. Now question 23. Curved line represents curved path and straight line represents a straight path. Now dotted line on the map represents of which one of the following if the following information is given on the map. Now this piece of information is given on the map, children. Okay. Now they are asking us to find out about the dotted line. Which is the dotted line here? This one. Yes, it is in the form of a dot. Dot, dot, dot. This is our dotted line. Now this dotted line is representing what? What is on the left side of the dotted line? We are having an aeroplane. So the dotted line represents the path of the aeroplane. Is this clear? Dotted line here represents path of aeroplane. So option A is our correct answer. Question 25. The picture table below shows the number of students who were absent in a day of a particular week. Now, on which day maximum number of students were absent? Maximum means we have to find out the highest. Just by looking at this table, children, where can you find out the maximum, that is the highest number of smileys? On Friday. On Friday we can see that the number of smileys are the most. So on Friday the number of students who were absent was maximum. Yes, so our answer becomes option B. It's just we have to observe and find out the one with the highest absentees. The question 26. The graph shows the number of bookmarks each student made. Now how many more bookmarks did Namita make than Sona? We have to compare the two students. Who are they? Namita and Sona. Now how many bookmarks did Namita make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 into, the important point here is each picture represents 2 bookmarks. So 11 into 2, that is equal to 22. Our Namita made 22 bookmarks. Now who is the other person? We want about Sona. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sona made 7 into 2. See, it represents 2 bookmarks. So 7 into 2, 14. Now we need to find out how many more did she make. So we should find out the difference. 22 minus 14. 12 minus 4, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So our Namita made how many more bookmarks than Sona? The correct answer is option A, 8. Namita made 8 more bookmarks than Sona. Question 26, question 27. The picture table shows the number of children who came to the story hour each week. Now, how many children came to the story hour in week 4? So, this is the weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. What are we concerned here? We are concerned about the week 4. So, this is our week 4. Yes. So, how many children are there? Children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 children here. And again, what is the important thing? Each picture represents 3 children. So, here having 5 pictures. So, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Each represents 3 children. So, we have to count the number of pictures by 3. Multiply the number of pictures by 3. 5 into 3, 15. So, the table, according to the table, 15 students came to the story hour on week 4. In week 4, sorry. Option B, 15 is our correct answer. Question 26. Mr. Gupta has a toy shop. His total sale of last week is as shown in the given table. Now, which day has a sale of exactly 20 toys? Now, from this table, we have to find out the day on which our Gupta has sold exactly 20 toys. Now, if you look at the bottom of the table, each picture represents 10 toys. Each picture represents 10 toys. So, for 20 toys, how many pictures will be there, children? 20 divided by 10. 10 twos are 20. Yes, so that means for 20 toys, we'll be having 2 pictures. So, let us see all the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here, on Friday, we are having exactly 2 pictures. So, what does these 2 pictures represent? Each equals 10 toys. We are having 2. So, 2 into 10 is equal to 20 toys. On Friday, the sale was exactly 20 toys. So, option B, Friday becomes our correct answer. Yes. Question 29. The picture table below shows the number of students who are absent in a day of a particular week. What is the total number of students who were absent in the week? The total number of students who are absent in the week. So that means we have to count the total number of absentees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are having 15 smileys here. We are having 15 smileys. Now each smiley means how much, children? 1 student. So 15 into 1 is equal to 15. So the total number of students who were absent in the entire week was 15. That is our option B. Question 30. Fruit seller purchased some fruits from a wholesale merchant. Merchant is nothing but a seller. Okay, seller. Now, the number of fruits he bought is shown below in the following picture table. Read the table and answer the following question. So, here we have the fruit name and then we have the number of fruits he has bought of one kind. Now, how many apples the fruit seller bought? We are concerned about the number of apples. So, we have to count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. So, option B, 6 becomes our correct answer. Yes. So, here it's not mentioned or given anywhere that 1 apple here is equal to 2. Yes, 1 picture is equal to 2 or something. So, we'll just count the number of pictures and take it as our final answer. Now, how many apples did our fruit seller buy, children? He bought 6 apples. Now, question 31. The bar graph shows the time taken by 6 competitors to run a 200 meters game. Who completed the race before Ali but after Jatin? Ali, Jatin. Before Ali. This is the line of Ali and this is the line of Jatin. Yes or no? So in between, what do we want? We want someone who has completed the race in between our Ali and Jatin. Yes, this is our Ali and this is our Jatin. Now look children, whose bar is falling in between these two lines. Here we have this bar. Now whom does this belong to? It belongs to Viraj. So Viraj is the person who completed the race before Ali but after Jatin. Before Ali but after Jatin. So our correct answer is option C, Viraj. Now next question 32. The given table shows the total mails in a postman's bag. Now study the following table and carefully answer this following question. So do you know a postman? Who is a postman? Yes, one who collects the letters and then delivers the letters to their correct address. Now our postman is having different types of letters. Yes, so he is having postcards, greeting cards, letters, registered letters and also envelopes. Which kind of the mail is the maximum? Again, what does the maximum mean? Maximum means we have to find out the one that is highest. So for that we can, if possible, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, the first one we are having 5 postcards. So if you want to find out the maximum, which kind of mail is the maximum, one is you can do it directly. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. He is having 6 postcards in his bag. Okay, one is just by looking at the table, see in which row or for which type of mail we are having the most number of pictures. By seeing itself we can say that the number of postcards are the maximum or the highest. So option A, postcard, becomes our correct answer. Else you can count each type of mail individually. 6 postcards, 1, 2, 3 greeting letters, 4 letters, 2 registered letters and 5 envelopes. Now see, even if you look at the number countings, postcards is having the maximum count. So postcards becomes our correct answer for this given question. Now question 33. The picture graph below shows the number of sweaters ordered in each size in 1 week. Now how many sweaters of small size were ordered? What do we want children? We want the number of sweaters of small size. Size is small. How many were ordered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 pictures here. Yes. So were 5 sweaters ordered of small size? No. If you look at the bottom line, each picture equals 3 sweaters. So we have to multiply this by 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So in total 15 sweaters were ordered of small size. Is this clear children? In total 15 sweaters were ordered of the small size. So option B, 15 becomes our correct answer. Yes? Now question 34 and this is the last question from our chapter, pictorial representation. The graph shows the number of bookmarks each student made. Yes, again we are having the names of the students and how many bookmarks they made. Now who made the highest number of bookmarks? Again children, we want the one with the highest number. Yes, again by looking itself we can say that Namita is having the highest number of bookmarks. Else we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now this is just the number of pictures. Here we are having 11, 6, 10, 7. Just by looking at these, we can say that Namita has made the highest number of bookmarks. If you want, as each picture represents 2 bookmarks, you can multiply them by 2 and then check your answer. 11 twos are 22, 6 twos are 12, 10 twos are 20, 7 twos are 14. See, either ways, our Namita has made the highest number of bookmarks. Okay, children. To find out the one who has made the highest number, it's actually we do not even need to multiply. Just by counting the pictures, we can say that Namita has made the highest number of bookmarks. So option A, Namita becomes the correct answer for this particular question. Yes, I hope this is clear. With this, we've come to the end of all multiple choice questions from our chapter Pictorial Representation. Yes, children. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.